Have you ever judged someone before even talking to them? Maybe assumed the quiet kid was shy, or thought the tall guy must play basketball? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're talking about prejudice, stereotypes, and discrimination, why they exist, how they impact our world, and what psychology teaches us about reducing them. What are they? Let's break it down. Stereotypes are oversimplified beliefs about groups, like assuming all gamers are antisocial or all blondes are forgetful. Prejudice is when you attach a negative attitude to those stereotypes. For example, I don't like gamers because they must be lazy. Discrimination is when those attitudes turn into actions, like refusing to hire someone because of their background or identity. So, stereotypes are in the mind, prejudice is in the heart, and discrimination is in behavior. Why do they exist? Psychologists say prejudice often comes from social learning. We pick up biases from family, media, and culture. Cognitive shortcuts. Our brains love categories, so sometimes we oversimplify people. Fear and competition. When resources feel limited, groups may turn against each other. In short, prejudice isn't just about bad people, it's about human psychology, but that doesn't make it okay. Real-life example. Think about school cliques, the nerds, the athletes, the artists. Labels can feel harmless, but when they turn into unfair treatment, people feel excluded, judged, and sometimes bullied. That's discrimination on a smaller scale. How to reduce it? The good news? Psychology offers solutions. Contact theory says that positive interaction between groups, like working on a project together, can reduce prejudice. Education helps challenge stereotypes by replacing myths with facts. Empathy is key. When you actually listen to someone's story, stereotypes fade away. In other words, the antidote to prejudice is connection. Why it matters. Understanding prejudice isn't just about being politically correct. It's about building fairer schools, workplaces, and societies where everyone gets a chance to thrive. So here's the takeaway. Stereotypes may start in the mind, but breaking them starts with awareness, empathy, and action. In our next episode, we'll explore something everyone's curious about: relationships and love. From attraction to attachment styles, to the psychology of why we fall for who we fall for. Check the playlist link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't, and remember, minds open wider when hearts open first.